Todd Marcus at Birds Exotic, and we're in Delray, New Jersey, and we carry the largest selection of birds in the United States.
All birds you can teach to talk. Some birds are better talkers than others. I mean, a hand-fed baby parakeet can be an excellent talker. Your most famously best talking bird would be your African grays. They're the most intelligent of all the birds. Your Amazons, yellow-naped double yellowheads, are also extremely good talkers. And even the blue and gold macaws, your scarlet macaws, are very good talkers.